The delay setting helps prevent false alarms caused by startup surges, thanks to a built-in 60-second delay for high and low flow events. You can add an extra delay, up to 1,000 seconds, to ensure the flow issue persists before the controller responds. To access the delay setting, press the right arrow button. Then, use the plus or minus buttons to set the delay value. For example, if you add a 30-second delay, any high or low flow reading would need to last a total of 90 seconds. The built-in 60 seconds plus your additional delay before the controller triggers an alarm. Note, the total overflow alarm does not include a built-in 60-second delay, but will honor any additional delay time you've programmed. For instance, if your total overflow threshold is 35 gallons per minute, 132 liters per minute, and the delay setting is off, the controller will stop irrigation immediately if that threshold is exceeded. However, if a 30-second delay is programmed, the flow must stay above the preset threshold for 30 seconds before the controller halts irrigation and posts an FL error alarm. Each setting, high flow shutdown, low flow shutdown, total overflow, and delay, can be set to off at any time. You can enable any combination of these features, or leave them all off, as none are required for operation.